If your fan limit control will not turn the blower off, address the dial settings and the device calibration first. The fan limit control senses temperature to command blower on and off and to protect the heat exchanger, so start by locating the round dial assembly on the furnace near the heat exchanger. Verify the blower on temperature is set around 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and the blower off temperature is set around 85 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. These are typical targets for older systems, though the exact numbers can vary with your furnace model. If the blower on setting is too low, the blower may stay on continuously because the control never reaches the off threshold, so carefully turn the first dial a few degrees higher and recheck operation after a full heat cycle. Use a refrigerator thermometer or an infrared thermometer aimed at the heat exchanger casing to confirm actual surface temperatures if you need precision without removing panels. If the control is noisy, shows physical corrosion, has loose wires at the terminal block, or the dials move without resistance, the mechanism is likely failing and replacement is the correct course. When replacing the control, match the temperature ranges stamped on the new control to the old one and shut power to the furnace at the service switch or breaker before making wiring changes. Common mistakes are trusting the factory dial positions without measuring actual temperatures, which can leave the blower running. Fix this by measuring and then adjusting the on and off settings to the recommended ranges. Another frequent issue is replacing the thermostat or blower motor first when the limit control is out of calibration. Test and adjust the limit control before replacing expensive components. Finally, people often overlook simple wiring problems or loose connections that mimic device failure. Inspect and tighten the terminal screws, and look for burned or brittle insulation and replace the control if wiring damage is found. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who post services and availability, and helps contractors find jobs and connect with local customers. We also offer a discussion community where users and professionals exchange advice, troubleshooting tips, and real-world experiences about furnace control, troubleshooting, and other home projects.